Oh, what do we have here? Misgendered student turns violent after pronoun dispute. Hey guys, real quick, all the videos are gonna be coming to this channel for right now. None from Deuce Live Reacts tonight. I'm fighting a bunch of copyrights right now. I got like 5 or 6 copyright strikes, and they're trying to take down my channel or remove it in 7 days. So I'm just fighting that. So all of the videos will be coming here until I get that situated. But we finna dive right into this reaction.
On February 5th, 2025, officers responded to a college campus in reference to a disturbance.
What's the problem?
Why do you let those kids get away with this? They are not supposed to be here!
If you don't lower your voice, I am going to put handcuffs on you, and I'm going to...
Why is he dressed like that lady off of that little show that I used to watch where she used to spread her legs on the clock with the little dots in her face with the long hair and the hat? Y'all know who I'm talking about?
Take you to a Baker Act facility. You lower your voice.
Fucking try it.
Are you threatening me?
You're threatening me.
Are you threatening me?
I'm just...
Because I'm here right now to deal with a stolen vehicle. I ain't got time to hear you screaming and yelling.
I don't have time to constantly be abused.
We'll get OPD down here then, because I gotta work this stolen vehicle.
What do you...
He's a dude, she's a dude, we're all dudes.
OPD.
Alpha 73 University.
Alpha 73.
Can we get another unit to deal with Jay Lee here? He is having a breakdown.
Say!
He about to punch the cop.
Say the right pronoun!
What'd you say?
7351.
Get down on the ground right now.
No!
You're about to get sprayed.
No, just
Get down on the ground right now.
Leave me alone!
I can come in there.
Leave me alone!
I don't think you want to tell him that because he might like it.
Please!
Okay, are you gonna calm down?
I'm getting my phone out. I have to
Okay,
film
I'm
this.
telling you. Are you gonna calm down?
Why is he shaking?
Don't charge your
I will
police
calm
officer.
down. I will
Do
calm.
you know what this is?
I
This
will
is
calm
OC
down
spray.
when you get the pepper spray out of my face.
Alpha 73.
Leave me alone.
Now he need backup.
Just please.
Pepper spray.
Please.
Hey, this individual
Just
right
stop
now.
pointing the pepper spray at me. I will calm down if you do that. Stop threatening me.
Yeah, lower your voice.
Leave me alone. Leave me alone.
Do you want to get tased?
I want you to leave me alone.
Judge.
You have been particularly abusing me.
If you come,
You did it.
if you come towards me
You
one more time,
fooled me.
you are gonna.
And sent to abuse the administrators.
I gotta deal
Don't
with
you
this story. I
remember?
gotta deal with this story.
Don't you remember?
He would give Tylenol a fucking headache. Gee.
He's a
Focus on me, okay?
Execution 97. 13.
Okay? Get away!
You don't tell me where to go.
Fuck you! Fuck you, cop!
Alpha 7 University.
See, look, he knew when to walk away. Sometimes you gotta know when to just walk away.
I want to be away from
No,
him.
it's too late now. It's too late now. He's gonna be taken away.
Shay! I just want to get away from him.
I understand that. He needs.
Shay!
He.
Shay! 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 Stop misgendering me! Just say Shay!
I mean, you look like a dude, even with the wig on, so I can understand why he keeps saying he.
Alpha 73.
Josh, can you please just tell them to use the right pronouns? Please! You know it's causing me a lot of distress.
I need you to bring it down here, though, okay?
Okay, so I'm gonna ask you very nicely. Put your stuff down. Turn around. Put your hands behind your back.
Delta 70 to Riley and Rivera.
Not going
Put
to be arrested.
Put your stuff down.
Rivera.
No,
Put your hands behind your back.
no.
Okay, so
Just trying to get on
I'm only gonna ask you one more time. You can record all you want, but it's already beyond that point.
You're stressing me out.
It doesn't matter.
I'm just asking you to
No, you stressing your damn self out.
please stop stressing.
We already tried to help you. So
No, you didn't.
yes.
You came in with hostile intent.
Put your hands.
Be alone.
He hit his
Right now.
he hit his goddamn partner with the with the gate.
Don't
Get on the
hurt
ground.
me.
Get on the ground right now.
Don't hurt me.
Get down on the ground right now.
Hey! I got a couple. I got a couple like this. I got a.
Come on this way.
Stop.
Get down on the ground.
Get down.
Oh my God.
Help! Help me!
Get down.
Get down.
Get him down.
Let go. Put your hand behind your back. Put your hand behind your back.
I can't.
No.
I'm right. I just wanted you to.
All you had to do was stop yelling at the cop, but you said you told the cop you, so you about to get fucked, all right.
Come on, stop.
Josh, please. Josh, please. This is all a big misunderstanding.
I'm gonna spray him.
No, please don't.
Look, the whole school finna be talking about this.
Don't say him. Her.
Okay, her. I'm gonna spray her.
He finally got it right. Look at this a-hole. It's something mentally wrong with this person because she said, thank you.
Turn behind your back.
No.
Yes. I don't want to spray you.
On three, reference.
One.
Give me your hand.
One resisting. As you
Can I? Is there any way I can?
No, give me your hand. Give
Please.
me your hand.
I just. Please. I can calm down if you just give me some space.
See what's gonna happen?
That hurt.
Pepper spray and you getting taser, yeah, you gonna have a real shitty day doing that.
Put your hand behind your back.
I just
Put your
need
hand
space.
behind your back.
Put your hand
I
behind your
need
back.
space.
Give me your hand.
I just need space.
Your hand.
Put your hand.
Jalen, give me your hand.
Okay, I'm gonna tase you if you don't cooperate.
Don't tase him in the butt. He might like it.
Tase
Jalen,
him.
give me. Jalen, it's gonna hurt, man. Just give me your hand. He's
That's
not
what
gonna tase you. You give me your hand.
You're gonna arrest me.
Give me
No.
your hand.
Yes, we need
Yes.
your hand.
I don't arrest me. No.
Let go.
Did he try to kick him?
Get it again this time.
Give me your hand.
I would have got him in the thigh, right above the booty cheek. Yeah, he wouldn't have been able to kick no more.
Give me your hand.
Leave me alone.
Give me your hand.
Alone.
Look at his legs.
It's got to be the worst position for the cop to be in.
Your hand.
I got his legs.
Give me your hand.
Breathe, stretch, shake, and let it out.
Relax him, okay? There you go.
Relax your cheeks.
We got him.
And we got charges.
Hell yeah, we do.
And battery on Leo.
Oh, they were attacking me. What was I supposed to do?
Comply.
Idiot.
Now you're under arrest for battery on Leo.
Watch your head.
Roll over. Now get up.
Josh, please.
On your knee.
I'm trying.
Now stand up.
I can't
Do I have my phone?
Sure, I don't know where it is.
Ow, I can't get up.
You said you did taser, right?
Yes.
Her.
Yeah.
Her. Her. Josh,
Why couldn't you just have left?
You want the orange references?
Stunned. Sit down. We're gonna have the fire department take a look at you.
Josh, this is a big misunderstanding.
You're good?
Let's just take him to the car.
You're gonna be all right. Put him in my patrol car.
Okay.
I'll take him.
Huh?
There.
Come on.
Wait.
You're gonna be all right.
Come on.
Oh,
Thanks, Josh.
can I have my phone back?
We'll get your belongings, all right?
He couldn't have picked out a better wig.
I hate you all. I hate you. You escalated this. You didn't have to pull out the pepper spray. You didn't have to continue to scare me.
Do you want more units downtown?
You knew
I would not let his ass right back at this school ever again.
my buttons and you set them off.
I'll live out shortly, but I think we were okay coming on.
Please step. What?
Do not push me.
But yeah.
So what was he charged with? Disorderly
On
conduct? Oh, shit. Thank you guys for tuning in. Shout out to all my supporters. I love you if you haven't already. Make sure you hit that subscribe button. Make sure you hit that notification bell so you can stay up to date with all my latest content. Also, don't forget to hit that like, comment, and that share button as well. Real quick. Why was it so important to be called the right thing? Well, I mean, you were born a man and you look like a man. So why get that hysterical and that pissed off when somebody calls you what they see you as, even though you identify as something else? Hell, I be wanted to be identified by $1 million, but I don't get called $1 million. I get called a fat black guy, right? So it's just like, you know, some things are just kind of preposterous to ask for. Yes, the gender thing, you know what I'm saying, in the trans community, people struggle with identity crisis and being accepted and whoop-de-whoop. But in some instances like this, like, come on now, bro. We got to keep it a bean. You get what I'm saying? Nobody, the world doesn't have to accept you. As long as you accept you for you, then that's all that matters. Like getting approval and approval from man, you gonna piss yourself off every time. You got to get approval from yourself and, you know, be in the right community, you know what I'm saying, to get the help that you need, because there's no way that somebody should be getting arrested because they infuriated because of what somebody has described them. You know what I'm saying? So gotta tighten up on that shit. And, you know, being transgender is not easy. You get what I'm saying? So you got to have thick skin. And if you can't handle it, you need to go do something else, because being trans, it ain't for the weak. Whew. It ain't for the weak. But thank you guys for tuning in. Shout out to all my supporters. I love you. If you haven't, and that's it, baby.